CDC's move to elevate priority of the so-called traveler accommodation industry could very likely cause changes in other states. Here in Nevada, where hospitality makes up about a quarter of the private workforce, our governor has already prioritized this population. However, it is not yet clear when they will be eligible for the vaccine.
Our communities need equitable access to the vaccine, and that includes the 60,000 frontline hospitality workers who work in casinos and throughout the resort industry here in Nevada.
Throughout the pandemic, thousands of Nevada's hotel and resort industry workers
who cook, who clean, who serve food and drinks
have been working in person with visitors. And many of these workers are in communities being deeply affected by this virus.
Since March 1st, sadly, 122 Culinary and Bartenders Union members and members of their immediate family have passed away due to COVID-19, and over 1,200 have been hospitalized.
That's why the Culinary Union, which Bethany Kahn says is made up of about 45% immigrants, says they're hoping the rollout reaches their industry faster.
The Culinary Union supports efforts to include and prioritize allocation to hospitality workers, which includes Black and Brown communities who've been disproportionately impacted by the effects of COVID-19.
Nevada's playbook shows hospitality workers as fourth in line for eligibility in the frontline essential workforce lane. The new CDC recommendations elevate hotel workers to Category 1C. So could Nevada's priorities shift again under this new federal guidance? We reached out to state officials on whether this might have an impact, but they didn't get back to us. In the meantime, Kahn says her union's going to be looking forward to future guidance from the state.
And as soon as that happens, we'll be letting members know and working to get them the vaccine.
We'll update you with what we learned from state officials on this. Right now, frontline community support workers are eligible for the shots. After that, frontline supply chain and logistic workers, but they have not yet been deemed eligible. And hotel workers are next in line after that. Now, pardon me, the wind is really picking up here. Reporting live, I'm Maddie White, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.